Hey guys, today we're at the park and the kids are at school, Daddy is at work, and it's just me and Olivia. So we decided we're gonna go to the park and Olivia's gonna see if she can make slime at the park all by herself. Are you excited? Yeah? Can you show them where you're keeping all your slime supplies? In here? Yeah. So do you know how to make slime? Yeah. Awesome. So are you excited about this or are you nervous?
I'm excited about it.
Good.
Let's do this. Hey guys, so I have slime supplies in my bag. So I'm gonna open this right now. The make pink one with this
Activator.
activator glue and this and
Shaving foam.
first we're gonna add this. Like we're gonna add in like the pink one and then we're gonna use all these colors. So can you open this guy? And then we're gonna mix it all up. And right here. Whoa, this that's enough. Now, mix. And that's enough. Now, we're gonna do glue.
Do you want my help?
Yes.
Hey. Okay, you just gotta squeeze.
It's farting.
It's farting.
So my mommy gonna open all the tap up so I can glue it by itself.
There you go.
That is so mommy's gonna help me stir.
Do you think that's good?
Yes, so the next we're gonna add in this. And shoot fly, don't bother me.
Is there a bug on it?
No, a bug on the table.
Hi,
You
bug,
see
bug.
guys?
Are you afraid of the bug?
Shoot!
Okay, come on, leave the bug alone. Olivia.
He was good. What does
Do you want me to open it?
There. Hey,
You gotta press the top. Do you know how?
no.
Try.
You do it.
You can try. Try to press this top. There. Press more. Press more.
Uh-oh. Taste it.
Do you want me to do it?
That.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Stop.
Okay, now you gotta mix again.
When you stir it all mixer, because my mommy say, there.
So what do you do now? What is that?
I don't know.
Active.
Activator.
Now you gotta squeeze and squeeze and squeeze.
three, and that's enough.
You can try to stir now and see what happens. See if it turns into slime.
Okay, I'll see. Oh, it's definitely turning into slime.
Let me put some more for you. Mommy will help because it's your first time doing it all by yourself, right?
Yes,
There you go.
there you go.
Keep going.
Mommy, could you please stir for me?
Sure. What do you think, Olivia? Is this slime yet, or is it still sticky?
Well, it's definitely
Still sticky, I think.
still sticky. It's starting to form. I'm waiting.
What do you think about it now?
I see this turning.
Is it starting to turn?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I think we need to add more blue. Now I didn't play with the slime.
What do you think? You think it turned out good?
It's so dry. I need a napkin.
Need a napkin? Is it a little sticky? All right, guys. So
So I think this doesn't work out. It was too sticky because we didn't have any water today, so
yeah, we think we did something wrong. Like we didn't add baking soda or water. We're not sure. I mean, it's fun to play with, but it is super sticky still. See? So I don't know what to do with it. I tried to pour in more and activate it and work it, but something didn't work out. But that's okay. All right, you guys. So we will see you later. Olivia's gonna go play a little bit. Look at that. That does look cool though. Look.